Okay guys, this is Unamas signing in YouTube. It's already 12:16 p.m. here in the Philippines, and I guess it's October 28 or 29, don't know. So let's do another tutorial on Unamas tutorial, and let's do this fast and easy. So the title of my tutorial is this, okay? Unamas tutorial McY bit B9.0 fast and easy Y Republica style. And as you know me, let's do it fast and easy. So first you must have a Progi, which is that McY B9.0, and I do have one. Lucky for me. So I already opened the program, and here it is. First you must put in what? You must put in your ID here. Then you must put in your password in here. Put the necessary room you want to go, and first log in, then join the room, and I'm clicking join the room. So type in the captcha BECY BG then click submit. Then you see as I'm already in the room, which is Metro Manila Barkada 15. My ID is Unamas 006. So then to have a voice in the room, you must click in login voice. Here, click this one. See, login voice, and boom, now you have a BC in the room. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Unamas 006. So Unamas 006 does have a BC. Why? Okay, don't know. Let's see. Then clicking auto beep. But it does have a BC. Okay, log out voice. Login voice again. It has a voice error. Okay, now let's see if it does have a BC na. Still nothing. Okay, I will log out. Okay, I will join again. Login, and I'm joining again the room. Okay. Here. Page 2. Save to TJ. Click on submit. It goes. Then click in the what? Click in the login voice. There it goes. Then click in the auto beep. It does not have a BC still. Oh, it does have a BC. Okay. It does have a BC already. As you can see, it does have a BC. Okay. And here, Unamas 006. It do have a BC na. So this is Unamas signing out. I love you guys. Just showing you how to use McY bit B9.0. Sayonara guys. Mwah. Chup chup.